Good evening, how is everyone? Nope. It is 6:15 on a Friday afternoon here in North Wales. I'm about to go for a little drive up to Abergwyngregyn and go for a walk to Aber Falls. Give that a little look. Right then. So I don't know if you can hear me over the waterfall or the water in the river, but I'm just walking up now to Aber Falls. I haven't been to Aber Falls in like 3 or 4 years. I certainly don't remember coming this way. I think it's about an hour and a half walk there and back. Nice big waterfall. That's got that seems sort of hydroelectric scheme there. So the water's taken from the river at a weir 3 kilometres upstream and runs downhill in an underground pipe to drive the pelting wheel in the turbine house in front of you there. Proceeds from the sale of the electricity generated are used to fund community projects. Well, you learn something new every day. So these are the Canada Mountains at the top, up there. So the Canada mountain range is the northernmost range in Wales, I believe. There's the falls in the background. And I'm just looking up at that scree section up there. You can actually walk to the Canada that way. And I was reading online that you have to cross that steep scree section there. Can you see the sheep right at the top of there? You know, that does not look appetizing. There's the falls. Aber Falls. It's not that bad. So I'm just going to go up to this hill, take a few drone shots and head home probably. And if you go in that direction for about 3 miles you come to Bethesda. And it's not often you see no one else here. I think I've got lucky by coming so late. Me and my mates here. Nah. Sun's set behind the mountains over there. So if you're going to come to Aber Falls, I'd recommend avoiding the weekend, avoiding sunny days, because this place just gets absolutely swamped. But if you do come, there are 2 car parks at the bottom of the walk. It's £3 all day parking. The car parks are quite small, so bear that in mind if you do come. Alright, sheep. Don't want to fight, mate. So I don't know if you can see them power lines there. They take electricity all the way from Wilver power station on Ynysmôn, Anglesey, and carries it God knows where, over the Carneddau and miles into the mainland somewhere. But you can see these pylons all the way across Anglesey and the mountains. And it is now 8:20. So I've parked just over this stone bridge here. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed Aber Falls. See you later.